Hello, hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Start. Hi guys. As you can see, today we have a very special guest, a fashion enthusiast, Komal Dole.
Hello, namaste, namaskar. Oh shit! নমস্কাৰ আৰু ৰাগামা কম খুলিম মই দুটাই কম দে হেল্ল' বুলি নথয় তই এইটো কৰিবি দেই মই কল কথাই মন ৰাগামা কম খুলিছো বুজি পাব না বুজি নাপালে ঠিক আছে
I am sure. I'll tell you a little bit about us. We met around 10 years ago on Facebook and we have been friends since
then.
Luckily.
Luckily.
Casual friends थे
फिर best friends हो गए
Today I have called her to teach me some styles so that even I can style my Diwali really nice.
Not an expert, but I love styling and experimenting with things, so I'll experiment some of my ideas on her too. We'll be creating looks for the we'll be creating Navratri looks.
Navratri no,
We'll be creating 6 Diwali looks using our traditional sador.
Yeah, traditional only sador. Mekhela sador
We'll be using our traditional wear, Mekhela sador.
And we'll be styling it in different ways.
Especially for the Diwali occasion.
Yes, for Diwali parties and family gatherings anywhere.
Any kind of social gathering.
You can check out her Instagram profile. That is Komal Dole.
Komal_Dole.
Will be. You can find her Instagram link on the description below. All right. So shall we start? Anything else?
Sure.
Good to go?
Yeah.
We are ready with our party looks.
So we're gonna start our game now. That is like never have I ever.
Yeah.
We'll pick one at a time.
So we wanted to show you how you can have a small type of a gathering or a party with your close friends at home, and maybe you can have a few nachos with a homemade dip and whatever beverage you want with it.
So let's start the game now.
Yeah.
You can pick the chip.
You pick first.
Okay. Never have I ever blabbed something I swear to secrecy.
Okay.
Now.
I'm sorry to all my best friends. I know you have shared a lot of secrets with me, and I always, no, not always, but sometimes I do tell someone because it's like big news and I wanted to share it with someone. Loki, you cannot just stare at us like that. You want to have this? What?
Sorry.
Okay, so I'll pick the next. Never have I ever gone commando.
What is commando?
You don't know what is commando?
Well, exactly what's commando?
It's when you're not wearing it.
Huh. No. Okay, please pardon.
Okay, anyways. Yeah, pick the next question.
Never have I ever convinced a friend to dump a partner. Or convince a partner to dump a friend. Convince a friend to dump a partner. Yeah.
I have a lot of times. In fact, I remember telling my best friend once that अगर तू इसको डेट करेगी ना तो मैं छत से कूद जाऊंगी.
No, like I've convinced my friend when the partner is not good for her, then obviously I'll convince my friend to just dump him.
The best
I don't
friends
want
are
my
always-
friends to cry for any partner, like be it
Yes.
girls or be it boys.
I'll pick. Never have I ever hooked up with someone of the same sex or gender?
Never.
Hook up?
Why wrong? You have hooked up.
Have you?
You're trying to hook up every time.
Have you?
Okay. Okay. Never have I ever given or received a lap dance.
Oh.
Let me drink some more.
You can decide that I have given or I have been given. But yes, I have.
Never have I ever worked with someone I could not stand or stayed with someone I could not stand.
I have.
Yes.
I have. There are so many people I work with that I cannot stand at all. But life.
Okay.
Alright, is it
Yeah.
the last one now?
Yeah, last one. I think the best one, I guess. I don't know.
Okay. The last one is. Never have I ever lied during this game. See, थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है ना यार, थोड़ा बहुत तो चलना पड़ता है.
Adjustment चलता है थोड़ा बहुत.
Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this look, this game, this food, this beverage, and
Let's start with the next look.
let's start with.
कानों में एक दिल की बात सुनावानी वो तेनू हसदा वेख के जगनू मैं भुल जावानी दस दे के तां गल तेनू समझावानी तो अब तू छड़ दे ओनू जो है तेरे नाल वो नखरे क्यों करती है मैनू जजदा नहीं किन्ना सवाल करती है ना मैं सुनता नहीं होर दस किन्नियां तारीफां चाहिदियां तन्नू होर दस किन्नियां तारीफां चाहिदियां तन्नू
Cheers!
Let's start with
Let's-
our
This
start.
second
second round of
second round of food
and games and festive looks.
and looks.
So, and looks, yeah.
All right.
Okay, so the game, the name of the game is Who's Likely To.
We will be reading out a few sentences from these chits, and
If it matches with me more, then I'll drink the juice, and
Yeah.
if it matches with her more, then she will drink it.
if it matches with both of us, we both will drink.
Yeah,
All
depends actually. Okay.
Oh, you.
Okay, I'll just read out the sentence.
Okay.
Who is most likely to win a fart contest?
I
Yeah.
don't feel ashamed of farting. It's a natural human right. Everybody
I
should.
understand.
I might.
Yeah.
Okay. So we forgot to tell them about this. Since lockdown, we have not had this at all, and
You can make this at home.
you can make
itself.
this at home. So we have a small box where everything is there already. You just have to mix them together and fry these out, and then eat it. And they are really great. You'll see the expression as we eat one soon.
Food start craving. Okay.
Start craving. So I pick.
Yeah, you pick.
You're gonna eat. I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it.
I am not able to
She
control.
already ate so much while we were making it. She's still eating.
Mm.
Okay. Who is most likely to be in a reality show, Big Boss, or maybe win it? For
I can
sure.
be in a reality show, but I don't think I can win Big Boss. I can
I
win that
can.
show
I will. I watch Big Boss every
because
single
she's
day.
very dramatic.
I'm gonna eat one first. Can I?
Really?
Yeah.
Yum yum.
This is awesome. Alright.
Mm.
Next one. Who is most likely to end up in jail?
No.
No, not to jail. not jail, but let's see, Goa mein once. But they just let us go because we were
Girls.
girls and we were not doing anything wrong. We were just in the wrong place in the wrong time.
Shall I?
Yeah. Can you please keep quiet? Look it.
Okay. Who's most likely to shave their heads for some reason? I will shave my head.
She has already done it. Not shave off the whole
Like
head.
half shave.
Yeah, half shave. She has already done
Yeah.
it.
So I can
have
do
yours.
that. That's not a big deal for me.
Yeah, I'm sure she can do it. You
Yeah.
pick yours.
I already did that, right?
She
Shave?
picked.
Yeah, me. I picked
Okay.
the shave part.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Who is most likely to kill a cheating partner?
Shit, I already. Okay.
It's okay. You
Yeah.
said you were.
I can kill a cheating
Even?
partner.
I tried also. This is the last question and it's your turn.
My turn.
Yeah.
Do you want to read it?
You will eat it.
Who's most likely to get married first? That's a very difficult question, actually.
Yeah. I have no idea. I think I am.
When I think,
I want to.
I don't know. I'm very unsure about
I want to
this,
be the
but
first one to get married.
even
Come on.
I don't know. I'm not sure, but
Might.
mm.
You never know.
So let's end this game with another round of fuchka.
You're not adding water over.
Oh yeah. That's the easy way to do
A
it.
bit of water and
One more round.
you can eat these after the shoot also. Is it? Alright?
Mm.
So let's get on with the next look.
I'll do.
रे क्यों करती है मैनू जजदा नहीं किन्ना सवाल करती है ना मैं सुनता नहीं होर दस किन्नियां तारीफां चाहिदी है तन्नू होर दस किन्नियां तारीफां चाहिदी है तन्नू होर दस किन्नियां तारीफां चाहिदी है तन्नू होर दस किन्नियां तारीफां चाहिदी है तन्नू
Hello guys,
Hi guys!
and this is the third and the last round.
Last look, so it is more of a small tea party with your close friends.
Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about this cupcake. These are made by my niece. She is just 14 and she's making wonders. You should definitely check out her page, and pretty please link her
Yes,
FB page
I
and
will mention
Insta
her
page
Instagram
in the
link.
caption.
You guys can order as many you want, and you guys should definitely try it.
And I'm sure you're not gonna regret it. It's very tasty.
for people.
Yeah.
আপোনালোকে প্লিজ এবাৰ গৈ পিনে ট্ৰাই কৰিব ইনষ্টাগ্ৰামত আমি লিংকটো দি দিম বহুত ধুনীয়া কেকছ বনায় এবাৰ ট্ৰাই কৰি চাব যদি ভাল পায় এনিৱেজ এনেও আপোনালোকে
Let's support this little baker in
Yeah.
town.
okay so for
Let's
the
start
last
our third
round,
game.
called charades. It's by Ellen DeGeneres and it's a really interesting game.
I've never played this
She
game
has
before,
never played it. Let's
so I
try.
have no idea.
What?
Okay, just
Sneeze. Blow.
no.
Blow in your nose.
Yeah, right.
First word. You can say it. Stand. Up. On the table. Stand up table. Stand up dining table. Stand up diner.
Just pass. First one is an animal,
Huh?
and this second word,
Hug. Bear hug.
yeah, right.
Okay.
It's an emotion.
Shock. Surprise.
Yeah. Words.
Huh.
First word,
Throw.
okay. Third word,
Tantrum.
Yeah.
Throwing a tantrum.
yeah, right. First word,
Mix match. Mix.
third word,
Drink.
yeah,
Mixing a drink.
yeah, right. Okay, two word. Second word,
Nails.
what is it called?
Fingernail.
Yeah,
Fingernail polish. Nail paint. What was it?
painting fingernails.
Place it on your head.
I'll just guess.
How you'll guess? I'll
Okay.
say. What do you do with 3 balls?
Juggling.
Yes, correct. Okay. What is the word that we are going somewhere? else?
Jogging.
No. We said
Falling,
suddenly.
tripping.
Yes. Okay. That thing that we are just sketching.
Doodling.
Yes. Okay. This thing that we get when a mosquito bites. What do we do?
Scratch.
No.
What? Bites.
When mosquito bites, what do we do?
Scratch.
That is that feeling. Okay, what I'm doing?
Biting.
No.
Eating.
Simple word. In eating, so that thing that has guti 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 on it.
Is that food?
Yeah.
Guti?
Yeah. It's sweet. Sometimes it's sweet. Sometimes
Bunya
it's
laddu.
fried.
What is guti?
We add butter and salt to it. It's a
Burger, sandwich.
No, it's
Hot dog.
No. It's we fry it sometimes.
What is guti guti?
It's sausage. It's corn.
Guti guti.
Okay, I am not running, but I am
Jogging.
no
Walking.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So I have this thing.
Guitar.
Yeah. So what I'm doing?
Playing
I am
the guitar.
No, I'm not playing it. I am ding 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 ding.
Chord testing.
Ding.
Hey, pounding.
What is chord testing? What is chord testing? It's done.
What is that?
Tuning a
Oh
guitar.
shit! Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
What is
Musician.
chord testing? Okay, anyways, this game has a lot of ads for your information. Yes. So we have come to an end. I hope that you liked the video. You want to say something?
Okay, it was fun doing this video. This was my first time and I really liked it. And
Yes.
even the idea was really casual and comfortable as well. You don't have to act too much, nor you don't have to prepare a script or something. So it was spontaneous kind of thing. So I really liked it.
Gonna mention her link, her Instagram link on my description. I'm gonna mention this baker's, the 14-year-old cute baker's link on the description. I hope you visit them.
And please do check it out.
And if you really like the video,
Actually, we are also trying like what to wear for Diwali.
yes.
So experiment ho gaya thoda sa.
So please do like, share, subscribe, the norms, whatever you feel like, and thank you.
Ta-da! Ready, steady, go. So, Dayan লিখি দিম again. Movie খতম হৈ যায়, movie টাইপৰ আছিলে বে, মায়ে serial কৰিছে নেকি?